YouTube. This is my brass monkey fridge. I've had it train going fast. Apparently out of warranty. I've set up a little battery there of just started beeping at me. Send power. I'll show you what. All right, here we go. Yeah. It's still working, but not good. All right. Hopefully I can show you how I fix it. All right. What I did. It's apparently out of warranty, so I come back. I hope my head's in here. But I went to. I got a new one of these. This is how I've had this on freezer for a couple of years. Apparently I've had it for too long. It's out of warranty. But what I'm going to do now, try and fix it. I don't know how I'm going to fix it, but come with me and let's see. I've got a new one of these ordered from local shop. Can't tell you who they are, but that's where they sell brass monkey fridges. So I don't know how I'm going to get this out, but we'll give it a go. Oh, look at that. It was a bit easy. Alright. Alright, I better show you this. Alright. Two there. I haven't opened the other packet yet. Anyway. Right. Push this down. That one comes out. That one comes out. Right. Oh. So hopefully this packet contains the same thing. No, it doesn't. Alright. This one. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright. So I don't have a new. Alright. Good. So good. 4 screws. Undo this. That 4 screws. Into which way it goes. Of course. Here we go. Sweet. There's 4. Then I'll put that one back on there. Oh. I'm surprised that it lined up, but it's by the same company, so it's all good. Always put them only in a little bit, and then finish at the end. We'll see what happens, and hopefully I can go camping next weekend. Bit of freezer. No, not really need a freezer, but makes it better. Hold my tongue right. Alright, here we go. We'll see what happens. This is gonna hopefully fix this problem. If it doesn't fix the problem, well, it doesn't, but it's out of warranty, so. Anyway, we'll find out in a second. Hopefully, it's all good. All right. Plug it back in. Oh, I think that was a bit easy. Oh. What I need to do now, all I need to do now is turn the power on. See what happens. This is my, on here, right, my power supply. Just going to do that. Oh, now I'm going to, yeah, whatever, it's on. No, it's not, because it's crap. Oh, it's going. See, it's all working. Right, here we go. I'll do it this way so you can see. I use this as a freezer. Right. Oh, sorry. All good. That's how to repair. It's only a what is it? 15 litre. Good. And what I've done here as well, I've filed one corner off because sometimes when they shut, it can be hard to open it again. A lot easier. Do that. Right, that's good. I don't need to do that. Job done. Freezer's working. Well, I'll take it off, so it's good look. Beautiful, all the controls work. Hey. Thank you.